Today, as I rise, I recognize my inner authority. I declare my sovereignty. I honor the state I am embracing, embodying. I let go of old stories and I begin writing a new script. Today, I understand my perspective will dictate my experience, and I intend to stand stable, grounded, protected, and strong. In this moment, I activate my guidance system. I unify my heart and mind. I breathe deep.
Breathe in, breathe out.
And feel the love of my ancestors, angels, and guides.
Can you feel them?
I call forth my higher self and know I am a vessel for service, a container of love.
They're with you now.
In this time of transformation, I recognize there is polarity and division playing out in the collective. I will not add to it, reinforce it. As the initiated magician, I will dissolve these energies. I will alchemize through compassionate openness, through the conscious presence of neutrality. I will not view these situations as permanent, as stumbling blocks, but opportunities to bring magic and light to a dense and wounded world. Today, I will not react, but respond. I will choose love over fear. I will remain awake and aware, and I will ride the wave at its peak. I will know my world is taking care of me, and I will stop as often as necessary to feel that love. I reaffirm in this now moment, I am safe. I am loved.
I love you.
I am love, and I am chosen. And I choose at every turn oneness, for my destination is unity consciousness, and today I am on my way.
Just wanted to say I love ya. Scully loves ya. Bye.